G'day guys, Lukas here from Phillis Automotive in Christie's Beach. Just a quick walk around of the beautiful 2018 Toyota 86 GTS that we have here, finished in an incredibly sparkly metallic black. It also features the Dynamic Performance Pack. So the Dynamic Performance Pack consists of the beautiful alloy wheels that you can see there fitted to the vehicle, the Brembo brakes front and rear, and the Performance Sax suspension, which, although I've never had the pleasure of driving one of these beauties to their absolute limit, I would imagine they handle like an absolute go-kart. The sporty feel, look, and the aggressive stance that this vehicle has on the road is unquestionable. If you've got any questions, please give me a call, guys. I'll just give you a quick peek into the interior. The previous owner of this vehicle was absolutely fastidious with it, so it is beautifully maintained, clean as a whistle. We have been provided with the service history and manufacturer's books as well. This car's done just a touch over 10,600 kilometers, as you see there. 10,604 kilometers. Please guys, any questions, give me a call. My phone number 0478 016 180. Let's get you into this car for a test drive, and hopefully you'll be driving it home soon. Once again, my number 0478 016 180. Look forward to speaking with you soon.